Hello there, this is the Cheese Eating Bird, and we're going to do a box break, my very first one of the 2008 Donruss Threads Baseball. Thanks to the good folks at blowoutcards.com for getting it to me so quickly. If I get anything really nice out of here, and we get a lot of YouTube hits, perhaps they'll do something nice for me. Let's see how we do. Okay, and we're starting off. Looks like starting off with Brad James, autograph rookie from Houston. And Johnny Pesky base. Just got his number retired by the Red Sox. Here we go. Next pack. I apologize if I go slow. Like I said, it's my first one. Looks like we've got an Eddie Matthews Baseball Americana, number to 500. And a Shoeless Joe Jackson base card. Okay. A lot of basics here. Like I said, I like watching these box breaks. Figured I'd give it a try on my own. Hold on. Another pack with nothing but commons. Got our hits still in here. Some big ones. We've got a Daniel McCutcheon Diamond King. Bob Gibson College Great, non-numbered. The cards look good in this one. There's a lot of variation of old-time players. Okay, oh, look at this one. We have got a Shoeless Joe Jackson parallel numbered 19 of 25. So that's a nice little pull. Put that over to the side. Some sort of refractor thing. Cooking here. Okay, looks like I've got another autograph, another Houston rookie, Bud Norris, autograph number to 499. Okay, still got some big hits coming in here. What do we got here? We got Century Stars, Tony Gwynn, not numbered. Yes, I'm not being very neat with my common pile here. I'll straighten it up later, I promise. Still looking here. Commons, lots of commons. Not a hot box by any stretch of the imagination. Let's just keep going. We've got in this one a Reggie Jackson Diamond King. Okay. A Hank Aaron base card. Jim Rice card. Should be in the Hall of Fame. Okay. Billy Mays, good. Billy Mays common. Steve Carlton, lefty, can't go wrong with him. Alright, let me see, no real big hits yet. Ted Williams, Century Legends, no number. Nolan Ryan base. Ernie Banks base. here. Hector Gomez from the Rockies, numbered to 250. I haven't found any memorabilia cards yet. Getting dangerously low here. Who knows what's going to happen? Yeah, maybe this one. I think this feels like one. Oh, hello. What we got here? We have got Zach Collier, rookie class, numbered to 280. Let me get that in there. Autographed, patch card, letter, whatever. It's a nice looking card. Plays for the Phillies, who might just win the World Series tonight. And George Bush face. What we got here next. Sutton up, Tony Gwynn jersey card, numbered to 500. Not a bad pull. Chris Carter, who's going to be playing for the Red Sox. Or is playing for the Red Sox. He'll be playing more next year. We've got two. Oh boy, this is not a bad box. Okay, first off, we got the Tristan Magnuson Diamond King card, but we're following that with the Pete Rose 2-color Century Collection jersey, number 200, number 24 of 100. There we go, not bad. I was hoping to get a rose piece in here. Psyched about that. 2 more packs in the box. As my pile starts to fall down here, the commons. Set up, clean that up later. All right. Another Pete Rose. This time, no numbered Century Stars insert. Same usual. Carl Yastrzemski. Carl, I hope you're feeling better. And last pack in the box is here. And we've got just your basic comments. All right, well, on the whole, pretty good box. I think the 3 big hits, obviously, are the rookie class autographed letter, followed by... Ooh, don't you drop that. The Pete Rose, 2-colored, number 200, and the Shoeless Joe Jackson card, number 25. There you go. So thanks for looking, and again, thanks to blowoutcards.com for getting this out to me so quickly, and hope to be posting some more soon.